Major Cruise Line is setting a timeline to return to the high seas.
Norwegian wants to sail once again by July the 4th, but there is something all passengers have to do first. Local 10 News anchor Sanella Sabovic is live to explain. Sanella?
Well, we all know that the cruise line industry, particularly here in the United States, is itching to get their ships back out to sea. Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings, they're saying that they want their ships out of U.S. ports by the summer and say that they want all of their passengers and crew members to be 100% fully vaccinated. The cruise industry in the U.S. has now been idle for more than a year, and Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings is ready to resume sailings by July 4th. In fact, the company, which operates 3 cruise lines, sent a letter to the CDC outlining their plans in order to get their ships out to sea. Norwegian says they will require all guests and crew members to be fully vaccinated no less than 2 weeks before departure. They will conduct universal testing of guests and crew, and vessels will operate at 60% capacity if they are allowed to begin sailing in July, then gradually ramp up their fleet. Just last week, the CDC, which is not requiring passengers to get vaccinated, issued its latest guidance for cruise ships, calling upon companies to establish agreements at ports where they intend to operate and implement routine testing of crews along with vaccination strategies.
The CDC and the cruise industry needs to sit down and review best protocols so that this way everyone can move forward in a unison way and be able to sail as safe as possible.
Meantime, Norwegian's president, Frank Del Rio, claims mandatory vaccinations will eliminate the need for the federal government's conditional sailing order and be able to sail without conducting test cruises. He issued a statement reading in part, "We believe that through a combination of 100% mandatory vaccinations for guests and crew and science-backed public health measures, we can create a safe bubble-like environment for guests and crew. We look forward to joining the rest of the travel, tourism, and hospitality sectors in participating in this next phase of our recovery." So the CDC has not responded to Norwegian's letter just yet. Again, the company wants to get all of their ships out at sea by July 4th. That's the latest here from the Port of Miami. Sanella Sabovic, Local 10 News.